Hey curl fam, this do is brought to you by a collaboration I did on my Instagram channel, so stay tuned so you can check out the details. I'm starting off on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair using the Mielle Masque products. Once I've washed everything out, I followed up with the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner and also detangler. This is great because it hydrates your hair. It's for all hair types and it is made out of fruit extracts. And since I'm going to be doing this style, I figured I'd stretch my hair and take care of these dead ends. You're going to need 3 ponytail holders and a bunch of bobby pins. I'm also going to list above the 2 videos on how I stretch my hair before protective styles. I'm going to go in with the Gigi's Blessed Essential Oils I've been talking about on my Instagram. I'm just going to go ahead and put that throughout my hair, close up my ends, and also take a little bit of it and put it into my scalp and just massage it right on into my hair before I start this protective style. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my comb and start to part off the 3 sections of my hair for this style. Now, you could do multiple sections if you like, but I am doing just 3 sections and I'm going to have 6 total buns. Okay, now that all my sections are completely separated, I'm going to go in with my gel and brush up each section and put it into a ponytail. Now that I have 3 ponytails, I'm going to take the first one and split it in half. And I'm going to take that front part of the first ponytail, secure it nice and taut. And then I'm going to take my index finger and my middle finger and just roll the hair towards the back of my hair. Once I get it in place, I'll create like a cup or upside down U shape with my hand and kind of form it into the position that I want it to be in. It does take a little bit of manipulation, but once you get it to the place where you want it to be, you can just take the pins and go ahead and bobby pin them down. Now I'm still in the first section or ponytail holder, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the second half of the hair. Roll it back with those 2 fingers, create a cup shape with my hand, and then once I get the style that I like, I'm going to pin it down. I'm going to repeat this same process for the second and the third ponytail holder. Okay, now that I'm back and all sections are done, I'm just checking to make sure that everything is in place. I'm pinning down the extra spots. And when you finish, you should end up with 6 individual buns, but 3 sections. I've done my edges off camera, and now I'm going to just slick everything down with my scarf. This is a silk scarf. You can use silk or satin. You just want to make sure that it's nice and taut in the back. And I let it stay on for about 30 minutes, but 15 minutes is suffice. Alright, curl gang, I'm back. So how do you like it? I have to say that this challenge definitely took me out of my comfort zone, but I'm glad I tried it because the results are beautiful. Alright, so this challenge was definitely a lot of fun. Thank you so much on Instagram to @naturallycharlied. I love this. So you guys definitely go over there and check out what she did. I'll be linking the details below to follow her on her page. But until the next video next week, stay well, stay healthy, be blessed, and make sure you stay safe. And I'll catch you guys later. Bye!